Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. We're on day 2 of our Christmas cookie baking. We have been doing Oreo peppermint cookies. We did white chocolate pistachio cranberry cookies. We did brown butter sea salt chocolate chip cookies. And today I am doing gingerbread crinkle cookies. These are so yummy. I'm going to put all of the ingredients and directions in the description below, and let's get started. This is a recipe that does require chilling the dough, so plan ahead. I like to chill the dough for about a good 2 hours, and this recipe will make about 18 to 20 cookies. We are going to start by creaming our butter and our sugar, and we're going to do about 3/4 cup of softened butter, so that's about 1.5 sticks. And we're going to use 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Okay, I'm gonna grab my hand mixer here and we're gonna mix this for about 3 minutes or so. You want it really nice and blended. The better that you blend your butter and your sugars, the softer your cookies end up being. It's a little baking secret there. Now we are going to add our egg and our molasses into our butter sugar mixture. So it's 1 egg that we are going to use, and we're going to do 1/4 cup of molasses. I like to use the grandma's molasses. I feel like it's just intentionally made for baking. Making a little mess here. Let me grab a napkin. It's sticky, so clean up that molasses mess right away. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of pour my molasses into my 1/4 cup. Oh yeah. And then we're going to mix this together again with our mixer. Now we are going to whisk together our dry ingredients. We are going to use 2.5 cups of flour. And then we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Perfect. And now we are going to chill the dough for 2 hours. I'm actually going to grab another bowl here. And what I'm going to do is kind of pat my dough together into kind of one big ball, maybe two. Like so. And then I'm going to kind of compress it together a little bit, and I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it chill for 2 hours. I have got my gingerbread crinkle dough. It has been in the fridge chilling for 2 hours, and now I am ready for the next step of this recipe. You're going to want powdered sugar, and a lot of it. We're going to be very generous with our powdered sugar today. Basically what we need to do is take our dough and roll it into balls. I like to do mine in like 1 inch maybe or so, about that size. And I'm just gonna make quite a few of these, use up my dough. But I've got them all rolled into balls, I am going to kind of just very liberally let them swim in the powdered sugar. And then we're going to put them on our baking sheet. And the oven is at 350. I'm going to bake these for about 8 minutes or so in the oven. All right, this is what the gingerbread crinkles look like. Now you want them to come out looking just slightly underbaked, and you can see how the powdered sugar just kind of emphasizes the little crinkle cracks. These are so good. They smell amazing too. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. I can't wait to hear how your family and friends loved these crinkle cookies.